Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to download and set up PicoLLM on a Windows machine in just a few steps. First off, if you haven't already, please download and install Python. Next, go to the Pico Voice console and retrieve your access key, as well as download the compressed PicoLLM model file. For this demo, we'll be using the Phi-2 model language model. Now in your favorite IDE, I'll be using Visual Studio Code, create a new Python script, open a terminal, and install the PicoLLM package using pip. Next, you're going to want to add the code to initialize the PicoLLM package using your access key as well as the path to your downloaded model file. With the inference engine now initialized, you can start generating responses by adding a few more lines of code to generate a prompt completion. If you want to stream the results, there's also a stream callback option. Once you're done with the engine, make sure to explicitly delete it in your script. And that's it. You've successfully set up PicoLLM on your Windows machine. Now you can generate completions using the model with all processing done locally. This ensures that your data stays private and there's no unreliable latency. If you want to learn more and give it a try, head over to the PicoLLM GitHub repository and check out the docs and examples.